Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting accounts and devices aligned so control actually works. Make sure your Apple TV has the latest TV OS and is logged into your Apple ID. It must act as a home hub in the Home app. Next, open the Alexa app and sign into your Amazon account because Alexa needs that connection. Once done, place both the Apple TV and your Alexa speaker on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery and linking can proceed without network conflicts. You now connect the ecosystems. Open the Alexa app and enable the Apple or HomeKit skill. Follow the on-screen auth flow to grant access to your Apple ID. You might be asked to verify via two-factor authentication. Enter the code you receive. After authentication, ask Alexa to discover devices or tap Discover in the app. Alexa should list the Apple TV as a media device or expose HomeKit scenes. Make sure to rename the device for clear voice commands. Finish by testing a few short commands so you confirm control. Say clear phrases like, "Alexa, play the morning show on Apple TV," then test pause, resume, and volume. If Alexa doesn't respond, restart the Apple TV and your Alexa speaker, then reauthorize the skill in the Alexa app. A single key troubleshooting tip. Verify that Apple TV remains set as Home Hub in the Home app and that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Mismatched networks are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.